What's up guys, my name is TechNoba here for Troubleshoot, and today I've got a really quick little bonus video for you. This will be the second one coming out today, most likely. But basically today I'll be showing you how you can get a modified save file into your Grand Theft Auto 5 Epic Game Store version. Now of course it was free in the last week, and if you grabbed it, you have it on your account forever. And of course, booting up into this new game, my save file is nowhere to be seen, and of course I don't want to play through the whole tutorial and more, just to go ahead and show off a couple of mods, etc, etc. On the topic, if you'd like to know how to install mods for the single player version on the Epic Game Store, while ScriptHook 5 is not updated yet, make sure to check the description down below for a really simple workaround that works with a lot of mods. But with all that aside, let's go ahead and download the Savegame off of GTAV-mods.com. Of course, you can use any other site for this. This is just the one that I'm currently going to use. It's the 100% game save file, v6.1, that was released all the way back in April 2015 and has 3.5 million downloads. But of course, you could use it with literally any other save game. If I were to search the site for save, you could use basically any of these other save game files, whether they're 100% complete or not, or possibly even bring it in from a friend's computer. All that aside, let's go ahead and download this one over here, which will be linked down in the description below. I'll then click download, and it downloads really nice and quickly. You'll need 7-zip or WinRAR to open this file, so simply click on it, and it's opened up over here. So before we get to actually installing this, I'm going to go ahead and launch up the game to show you my current progress. And there we go. As you can see, I'm still on one of the first few missions. We're stuck here with no weapons, and that's basically about it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and close this game completely. Then once the game's closed, all we need to do is have a look at this RAR file over here that I've opened in 7-zip. Simply open up your Documents folder, and then head into the Rockstar Games folder. Open up GTAV, followed by Profiles. Then you should only have one profile here if you only have the game on one platform, though I have it on Steam as well, so that is here as well. So go ahead and open up each folder if you have multiple ones, and have a look at Date Modified. What you're going to look for is the most recently modified one, and that's this one over here. So this is the game that I was just playing. These were edited literally minutes ago. What I'm going to do is copy these two files at the very bottom, SGTA and SGTA etc .back. These two files are your current save game, and if you'd like to keep your progress, make sure to keep these backed up. So I could put it on my desktop over here inside of a backup folder, and then go ahead and open up this RAR. What I'll do is I'll select these two files, and I'll drag and drop them across into the game files folder over here. I'll click replace, and once those two files have been replaced, we've now got the updated save game on our PC. All that's left to do is go ahead and start up the game again. This time, you'll see something a bit different. If you see something like this, asking if you'd like to use your local data or cloud data, simply select local data by clicking this little tick box over here. Then I'll click review and confirm. Then we'll simply wait for the game to start up. And there you go. As you can see, we're in a completely different spot. I'm getting this little pop-up over here asking if I want to override save data. I'll simply hit enter, and that's basically that. So I'm getting a bunch of Rockstar achievements, and we're over here. If I go ahead and open up the escape menu, you can see our balance up here. Under the game tab, replay mission, we've got gold on every single mission. Looking under the stats tab, we have all of these skills maxed out, etc, etc. And if we have a look at the 100% checklist, this is what it looks like. So this is a great point to go ahead and start modding if you want everything to be completed and you just want to go have some fun. Of course, if you'd ever like to continue from your previous save game, simply just replace the save files like we did to get here in the first place with the original save game files or from someone else. And of course, what is Grand Theft Auto 5 without mods? Well, if you haven't already, make sure to check the description down below on how to get a working mod menu as well as other mods working, including custom cars and the likes. But anyways, that's about it. Hopefully you enjoy playing from your save game, and if you'd like to see any more videos on Grand Theft Auto 5, make sure to check the description down below for links to them. My name's been TechNoba here for Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.